Omukama yabanza yarambuze emisiri ye omuri Bugaki na bwanyuma nikwe kurambura ikorero ry'amajani erya Kikoti Estate omu district eya Kabarore. Aha famu ye muri Bugaki abagenyi b'Omukama barebaho bimwe abirukorerwaho ekiyakikora kubegesa empinga ey'omutindo. Turukugambaho n'omuhwezi w'omusunga w'obukama bwa Toro Kato Bernard Rwakatare yashobora kuba abantu bamwe begireho okuhinga kurugi.
Abantu bakugenda hari igifamu n'abarorayo okulima okumulembero rundi kigambi kitwakwesere kulimo ku mutindo ngo ibyo bitakusobora muka wawe mu rundi mufamu yawo no sokugenda no bisanga ka mufamu y'Omukama y'Embe Bugaki.
Bwanyuma Omukama oyo hamwe n'abagenyi be batayira ikorero ry'amajani erya Kikoti Estate aho abantu bamushoborera aha bimwe ebizibu barakurabamo.
Akanyingi muno ntulima amajani agambe tuge sazino akatali kagenze nikakeha kandi gutambize kurora hansi yarole abantu abatungwa bikibe kuraba mukorora basoba kutunda amajani gabo gano agutambe kimilese hanu kumanya nikugamba ngo bintu ki ebyasa gukora we nko Omukama no Bukama korora abantu bana kulima amajani batunga akatale.
And we have challenges now. It is now 3 years the tea sector collapsed. We are not making good money. Some workers were laid off because of this problem. Salaries are not coming well on time because of the challenges we are facing.
Sifa Sanyu ore manager wa Kikoti Estate yashobora kubimwe aha bintu ebarukozesa mu kuhinga no kukora amajani n'ebyebeyi ekibateganise.
And the cost of production is very high. The inputs are very expensive. Buying fertilizer is expensive. Buying chemicals we are using to spray in the tea, they are very expensive. So the power we are paying to process a kilogram of tea is very high. You find what we are making out of tea is very little compared to what we are putting in to produce a kilogram.
Alex Ruhunda uri omnyishengero aba Fort Portal Central Division yashaba government ebase kuba neteka hebiragiro ebyakubasa kuyamba aha bizibu byabo.
They put up a regulator and have standards such that we have quality tea on the market, because even when the prices moved down for Rwanda, their tea prices remained competitive. So I think this is an area where we have been pushing, and now I'm very happy that Your Majesty, you have joined this cause.
Sanga abagalama tubena katale kabo nikisasa muno kandi saba government kurora ngwetekero buryo bwona kurora sera katale munsi yona mu Uganda mu East Africa na seri yamayanja hona kurora abalimbetu batunga katale kano.
Ortaya yoru ne mahantebekanisa z'Obukama bwa Toro ezirutireho barukwetebekanisiza okujaguza kw'empango y'umurundo gwa 30 eri kuja kubaho orwa katanoru kandi mukoro yona neija gwerekwa Butunu ahari Tayaro West. Amakuraga gasha kwa Justin Nyakisiki.